that 7-Eleven, if it could be open, be doing a thriving business.
Oh my gosh, I bet if it had electricity. It didn't look like it had much damage.
No. I'm surprised it missed that trailer park down there. Boy, they'd have been...
That trailer park better be praising God that it missed them. Especially if there are people there. It was an F5 when it went through this neighborhood. And it was 1.3 miles wide. Winds at the widest point, which is probably what went over my house. And the winds were 210 miles an hour when it went through Briarwood. Okay, this is new. They didn't have all